In a landmark development, the National Court of Justice is preparing to announce its ruling in the genocide case brought against Israel. This interim ruling is in response to South Africa's request for emergency measures against Israel. However, it's important to note that this ruling will not address the core accusation of the case, whether genocide has indeed occurred. Instead, its focus lies on the urgent intervention sought by South Africa. The proposed measures include a call for an immediate halt to Israel's military operations, which, according to Gaza health authorities, have resulted in the loss of over 25,000 lives so far. In a surprising twist, Hamas has declared that if the court orders a ceasefire in Gaza, they will comply and release all Israeli hostages in Gaza. However, this promise comes with a condition: Israel must first release all Palestinian prisoners. Families of the hostages are escalating pressure on Israel's Prime Minister, Benjamin Netanyahu. Supporters and relatives of hostages have once again taken to the streets of Tel Aviv, protesting outside Israel's military headquarters. They blocked a highway, demanding the release of their loved ones. Their message is clear: it's time for a resolution. In another development, protesters gathered in front of Israel's Minister of Environmental Protection, Itat San's house, following the arrest of a protester who allegedly slapped the minister. The protesters argued that the arrest was unjustified. Meanwhile, the Israeli military continues its operations in Gaza's Khan area. The IDF has released footage of combat troops operating in the Al-Amal neighborhood, claiming they have expanded their fighting, encountered terrorists, and destroyed weapons and terrorist infrastructure. In summary, the Israel-Hamas conflict continues to evolve with new developments on the horizon. The world watches as the National Court of Justice prepares to rule on emergency measures against Israel, and as protests and military operations continue on the ground. Amidst this complexity, one thing is clear: the path to resolution remains as elusive as ever.